Hi friends, this is Gulkand which we have made at home from rose petals. It is traditionally used in India for constipation, to clean the stomach. It has a great cooling effect, good for your skin, good for your hair. If in case you have blisters in your ulcers in your mouth, or if you feel very hot palms or hot soles of the feet, this can be taken at least once or twice a day to improve your condition. I will just show you how to make it. So these are the roses which I have collected from my garden, and I'm going to remove the petals so that we'll be using the petals only and discarding the sepals. So these are the rose petals which we have separated, and these petals we are going to add granulated sugar, very little of it, say about 1 teaspoon in this, and I am going to now just mash it up nicely till the petals become absolutely black in color. Quite done, and I am going to add some more petals and some more sugar till the whole all the petals have been processed. So I prepare this and keep it for the whole year round, and keep it in the fridge, and it is good to go for all of the 12 months. That was a lot of hard work, and now you can see that all the petals have been mashed up. Now you can keep this as such in a bottle and in the fridge and use it. But what I generally do, because I have to keep it for long, I take a non-stick pan, add the whole mixture to this, and heat it for just a couple of minutes so that the sugar, any particle of sugar which is left is it melts away. We have been cooking it for 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add a little bit of fennel seeds and green cardamom powder, so that for the extra flavor. And as we put this in, we stir it once more, and I will add 1 tablespoon of honey, so that it brings all the flavors together and it doesn't let the sugar also to crystallize. And we are almost done. So there I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey to this, and that is all it is required. Once it cools down, you can add it, store it in a bottle and put it in the fridge. Use it for constipation, if you have any stomach issues, acidity, ulcers in the mouth, and it really helps you. Thank you so much for watching the video.